Hey future millionaires, my name is Isabella. I became a millionaire within 2 years thanks to the power of social media and online business. I have a total of 15 million followers across all of my social media platforms that I own, and I love to use my YouTube channel here to inspire and educate others to do the same. And today I'm going to be giving you guys a full guide to how to grow on Threads and how to make money from it. Not only is it the biggest opportunity to grow on with social media right now, but I've also been making $5,000 a month every single month just from using Threads. If you don't already know what Threads is like the X/Twitter version of Instagram. There's a lot more people than you probably thought that are actually on Threads right now. Like, I actually grew to over 100,000 followers on Threads already. I've been using Threads for about a year now, and I'm gonna give you the hack on how I'm able to generate viral threads without me having to do a lot of work on my end. You already know people charge thousands of dollars for education and courses, which I give you guys 100% free. All I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. So no matter what you are doing online, you need to be using Threads. Not only is it the easiest platform to grow on right now, but as you can see, you can also make a lot of money from it, and not just money from the bonuses, but in other ways too, which I will talk about soon. Threads is ideal for content creators, digital product sellers, small business owners, and so much more. Right now, Threads is giving everybody a very equal chance to go viral. I've had some friends that have started, like, they're brand new to social media in general. They started an account on Threads and they're already up to almost 30,000 followers just by the same strategies, which I'm gonna teach you in this video today. And this is only within a couple months. They literally started just a couple months ago. Growth on Threads becomes very easy once you realize why these threads are even becoming pushed out. The more engagement that you get on a thread, the more viral it's gonna go. The more people click on the actual thread to read what's on the thread, the more it's gonna be pushed out more in the algorithm. You're also able to add links directly to threads. This makes it a lot easier for someone to click through and see your offer. I'm gonna talk about this more a little bit later. So there's a lot of awesome AI platforms that are out here right now, which are dedicated to helping you grow on social media and helping you start online businesses. This is one of my favorite ones that I've been using so much lately with so many different social media platforms. This is Trend Assist AI. They specialize not only with the viral threads generator, but they also specialize in almost every single other social media platform out here right now. If you guys want to try this AI, you can either just Google Trend Assist AI, or I'll put the link down in my description box below for you guys. When you click on that link, it's gonna bring you to this page where you can go in and sign up to create an account. So we're gonna just ask the AI, give me 10 viral threads in the personal development niche. I'm also identifying that I am a woman creator by saying for women niche, and we're gonna tell it to include emojis. Now you can see in seconds, a bunch of viral threads were generated for us that we can copy and paste over to Threads. All of these are optimized to go viral and to get you to your target audience, just to get a variety of different threads. Now I'm going to ask it, because it already knows who we are and what we do, give me more punchy one-liners, which are just more simple threads, so you can really have a mix of both. Keep these in mind because I'm going to show you a hack to make these go even more viral in the next part of this video. And you can see this literally works for any niche that you are doing. I do this a couple times a week, and then I batch a bunch of content and put it in my Threads drafts. I also like to do this at different times since trends are changing. This platform literally saves me thousands of dollars with all the work that it does for me. You've probably seen it in my other videos as well on YouTube. So for me, it's very well worth what I'm getting and with the money that I'm saving. And obviously with the money that it makes me, because you guys see I'm literally making $5,000 a month from Threads just with the bonuses. I pay around $24 a month, and I pay in yearly to get a discount. So that is my hack to be able to post on Threads multiple times a day with the most up-to-date trending threads that you know are gonna have a much more bigger chance of actually gonna go viral. I also always like to put these big bold words in front of quotes. So I'll always say truth, no excuses, reminder, question, crazy fact, fact. And this just grabs attention before you actually put your thread. So keep those in mind and you can use those as well. Another great way is to just ask simple questions related to your niche. And again, if you can't come up with these yourself, use Trend Assist AI and specifically ask for threads that have questions in them. And you want to kind of think of threads as just kind of like chatting with your friends, so don't take it too seriously. These are all threads that I was able to generate through Trend Assist AI. Here's another really good one that got me so many followers, which was just ladies who want to get rich, make money online, and live their lives for a living. I hope you find my account, or I pray you find my account. And what I did here was I identified with other users on what I was offering them. So the thread gave me a lot of new followers because I identified my target audience niche with the thread. If you just hit your first 100 followers on Threads, or you hit 1,000 followers on Threads, or 10 followers on Threads, don't be afraid to share your accomplishments, big or small, because I noticed every single time I do this, I gain more followers from it. Because people want to support you as a person. The more that you like add your human touch to things, the more that people are interested in supporting you and helping you out because they see you on that humanistic level. So always, always, always share your wins, especially for small business owners. If you are someone that you just got $1,000 in sales, or you got your first sale, tell people about it, share it, and then that's even better because then they're gonna go and shop with you because they wanna support you too. I've seen people doing this all the time on Threads already too. Now, like I talked about, Threads already has a bonus system for their users. Because I was super consistent with Threads, I used Trend Assist AI, I really just like tried to play around with different things. I grew pretty fast and Instagram offered me this bonus. I get up to $5,000 every single month for this. So I've made over $20,000 just from Threads, which is so crazy to think about. Some people I've seen have smaller bonuses like $500 or $1,200, but honestly, like a win is a win. Like even if you make an extra $50 a month from this, like this is awesome. It's rewarding users for being active. If you guys get selected for a bonus, you're gonna go to your Instagram, you're gonna click professional dashboard, then you're gonna click on bonuses, which is like a little treasure box, and it's gonna be right here. Make sure that you do have, I just have like a creator professional account. So just make sure that you also have this enabled on your account and that you're posting regularly on Instagram as well. If you haven't already started posting like a content creator and have niche down, you need to just get started. And this is your sign because it's only going to grow over the next 10 years. You may as well establish yourself to something on social media and not just trying to like, post like a normal, like on your personal page, like family and friends. Like, no, you need to pick one thing that you are good at or that you have or one niche and go all in. So this is a great time to actually do that, especially with Threads. I see people starting from complete scratch. So it's a great time to jump in. So here's the strategy all laid out again. This is my Threads content replication strategy. So using Trend Assist AI to get my threads wrote for me. I use these threads, I test them out and see how they do. Don't expect to just blow up immediately. Take some time, stay consistent. I generate new ones throughout the week because Trend Assist AI is always updating. When you get a thread that does well, repost it. I literally have reposted the same thread like 10 times and it goes viral every time whenever I get a viral thread. So don't be afraid, like 2 weeks later, just repost the same thread, literally copy and paste it. Volume is very, very important on threads. And they're so easy to just like write something up. Like either you can write yourself, use Trend Assist AI to generate them for you. And you really can get in a routine of doing this. And every time you check your phone, just remind yourself, let me post a thread. I usually post like about 4 to 5 a day, and this is what has grown my account. Now, let's talk a little bit more about monetization strategies on Threads. Of course, you can make money from the Threads bonus, which is great. 100% profit, right? It's so awesome. But you can also make money by using Threads as a funnel. This is how I use every single social media platform. Everything is a funnel, you guys, to something. Now, whether or not you have that or not yet, you can use my YouTube channel to learn how to generate that. So for example, say you started a fitness account, right? And you're like, I really love fitness. Let me start sharing my fitness journey. Start sharing your fitness journey. And then you start realizing like, wait, I just lost 20 pounds really fast. I want to share how I did this. So you create an ebook on it, or you create a video course on it, which I teach you on my YouTube channel. I have a free course all about digital products on my YouTube channel that you can follow. So you create that, then you're going to just promote that through those threads. Because what's awesome about threads is, like I said, you can literally link things in the thread. So you can specifically ask Trend Assist AI, write me threads that are promoting my new ebook coming out or certain things, or you can identify problems, show how you solved it, and then like in that thread, talk about it and share your ebook. Or you can even say, who wants an ebook about this, losing 20 pounds in a week, or whatever it is, right? But by doing this, you now have a funnel in place where you don't even have to really rely on the threads bonus by then. But you're still growing your business, you're growing your social media presence, and you're doing this all organically without buying a single ad. It's never been easier to create a digital product. You can literally do it in less than 10 minutes. I would say like that's probably like the easiest and like best way that I see people making money with on Threads because they're growing their digital product business. Whether or not you get the bonuses, like some people get them, some people don't. I hope all of you guys watching this get them. Hope you get the maximum one. But I don't want you to just rely on the bonus, you know, because there's so many other ways that you can generate income, which, you know, other monetization avenues, which I teach on my YouTube channel. If you don't already know, my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. If you haven't already, you can dive into my 100% free courses playlist. And you already know, all I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. Let me know your Thread wins down in the comments below. I want to see how fast you guys are growing using Threads. I'll also link the Trend Assist AI in my description box down below, or you guys can Google it too, whatever you want. But these are all of my hacks for growing. It's actually like a lot more simple than my other videos than a lot of other platforms nowadays. A lot of other platforms, you know, with short form content, much more complex than this. With Threads, it's like never been easier to grow on a social media platform. I see people starting from 0 followers and staying really consistent and growing really fast, which is so awesome to see. So again, this is your sign. Jump into content creation if you haven't already. There's always new opportunities arising. Every single year, I feel like there's something new and different to make money from. So you guys already know I love to keep you guys updated. I wish you guys all the best with your Thread ventures, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye, everyone.